Hi there, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will be discussing disputing inquiries on credit reports and why it's important to not dispute authorized hard inquiries. What are inquiries on credit reports? Inquiries are requests made by companies to access your credit report. These inquiries can be classified as either soft or hard inquiries. Soft inquiries do not impact your credit score and are typically made when a company checks your credit for pre-approval purposes. These types of inquiries include checking your own credit report, pre-approved credit card offers, and background checks. Hard inquiries, on the other hand, can impact your credit score and are made when you apply for credit. These types of inquiries include applying for a credit card, car loan, mortgage, or personal loan. Why dispute inquiries? Disputing inquiries on a credit report is popular because it can help individuals to remove inaccurate or unauthorized inquiries that may be negatively affecting their credit score. By disputing these inquiries, individuals can potentially improve their creditworthiness and increase their chances of being approved for credit in the future. Additionally, disputing inquiries can help individuals to identify and report any instances of identity theft or fraud, which can also have a significant impact on their credit report and overall financial well-being. Why not dispute authorized hard inquiries? Authorized hard inquiries are inquiries that you have given permission for, such as when you apply for credit and fill out an application under penalties of perjury. Therefore, it's important to note that disputing hard inquiries is a serious matter and should only be done if there is a valid reason to do so. Disputing too many inquiries or disputing inquiries that are accurate and authorized can lead to negative consequences, such as the risk of closure of open accounts or the labeling of the individual as a credit risk. Furthermore, individuals should only dispute inquiries that are inaccurate or unauthorized, and should do so with caution and careful consideration of the potential consequences. It's also important to monitor credit reports regularly and report any suspicious or fraudulent activity to the appropriate authorities. Hard inquiries can have a temporary negative impact on your credit score. Each hard inquiry can lower your credit score by a few points, but the exact amount can vary depending on several factors, including the number of inquiries, the type of credit applied for, and the overall credit history of the individual. Hard inquiries can stay on your credit report for up to 2 years. However, the impact on your credit score typically lasts for a shorter period of time, usually around 12 months. Most common question we get asked time and time again by clients is, how much do hard inquiries impact my credit scores? The impact of hard inquiries on credit scores can vary depending on the individual's overall credit history and the number of inquiries made. Typically, the impact of a single hard inquiry on an individual's credit score is relatively small, usually between 3 to 5 points. However, if multiple hard inquiries are made in a short period of time, the impact on an individual's credit score can be more significant. This is because it can suggest to lenders and creditors that the individual is actively seeking credit and may be a higher risk borrower. To sum it up, it's important to review your credit report regularly to ensure that there are no inaccurate or unauthorized inquiries. If you do find any inaccuracies, then you should dispute them or seek help by a credit repair company to have them removed from your credit report. Also, it's important to note that authorized hard inquiries should not be disputed as it can negatively impact your credit score. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.